Good day, Ma'am Rehano. This is our group report, The Information Age. Group members Reynan M. Manuba, Ralph Hamig, Ralph Cedric Largo, Rel Kerwin Mambunga.
Learning outcomes. At the end, this lesson learners should be able to trace the development of information age, learn how technology function, and appreciate the influence as people lives. Introduction. The information age is considered as a historic period in 21st century characterized by the rapid shift from traditional industry. It is also called computer age or digital and the media age. It is marked by a very fast growth in communication and information technology. This age holds a significant influence as educators and learners. Historical development. The information age, also referred road computer age and new media age, is a historic period in the 21st century characterized by the rapid shift from traditional industry. It began around the 1970s and is still going on day. This era brought about a time period in which people could access easily. As in the field of literature, the Renaissance influenced this age by creating by idea invention the lead to modern owns.
Historical development. The information age, also referred road computer age and new media age, is a historic period in the 21st century characterized by rapid shift of traditional industry. It began around the 1970s and is still going on. This era brought about time period in which people who could access easily, as in the field literature, the Renaissance influence age by creating idea inventions that leads to modern ones. There are four periods of the informational age, namely pre-mechanical age. It is the earliest age of information technology. Between the years of 3000 BC and 1450 AD. Mechanical age. Since 1450 to 1840, and this is age that we observe the first connection between the technology of today, its ancestors. Early example of analog computers. Slide rule, an analog computer used for multiplying and dividing. Electromechanical age. Since 1840 to 1940, the most important advance in this era isn't use electricity. The developments in this age are beginnings of communication. Example, telegraph. Early 1800s, radio. Morse code, electronic information age. Since 1940, present ENIAC, the first high-speed digital computer capable of being programmed to solve a full range computing problems. Some planners who belong to those period were Blair Pascal, Alexander Graham Bell, Stephen Wozniak, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates.
He is Claude Shannon, also known as the father of information age. A mathematical theory of communication created the field of information theory in 1948. In addition to impact of information theory in communication technology, Shannon's work has the tremendous impact on computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence, and probably in the statistics. Living in the information age. Technology is increasingly playing a crucial role in success of organization, particularly in school. In this information age, the impact of IT has been enormous on various domains including education. Computers and the information they process and store have transformed every aspects of the society. Since we live in information age, IT has become a part of our everyday lives. IT is composed of computers, networks, mobile and wireless devices, satellite communications, robotics, video text, cable television, electronic, email, electronic gadget, and automated office equipment. Technology
There are some advantage of information technology. One, globalization. Number one, globalization. It has brought the world closer together, key to sharing information more quickly and efficiently, and enabled countries to share ideas and information with each other. Number two, communication. It has made communication cheaper, quicker, and more efficient. The use of the internet open face-to-face communication from different parts of the world. Number three, cost effectiveness. It has led to com- computerizations of business processes and increased productivity that give more profits, better pay, and working condition. Number four, creation of new jobs. It has led to the opening up of opportunity for programmer, system analysis, analysis, hardware and software develop
Developers.
develop de, develop
Developers.
de, developers and web design. Thank you for listening.